All right, so we've got the Hua AM electric ear washer. So this is amazing. You don't want to be walking around with earwax growing out of your ears. That's disgusting. We want to keep our ears nice and clean. And this is the device that will help you do that. Q-tips, they can damage your ears. They can, they don't always work as good as you want them to work. So this is where this comes in handy. What you're going to want to do, you're going to want to fill this up with water. Before you do that, you're going to use this temperature gauge. When you turn the water on, you're going to run the water over this temperature gauge until right here it'll flash okay on one of these 3 slots. Once it flashes okay, keep it there. You're good to go. Fill it up with this. It's got these different modes here that you change by pressing M right here. If you can tell, the light is sort of moving on the different modes. And I'm going to show you how to use that in just a second to actually use it. It does come with these Q-tips. I actually find when you clean your ear, I like using the Q-tips afterward. There's something about it. Comes with this. If you want to fill this up with water, do anything with this, you can do that. Comes with 3 replacement heads where you can replace this thing right here. This comes on and off very easily. And then you've also got the charging cable. That's amazing. Let's go ahead and use this. All right, so we're here. We're going to use it. So one thing I want to say really quick is this is waterproof, so it's very easy to clean and keep looking good. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to press the M to pick whatever mode we want. I'm actually going to just do soft mode really quick right here. And then we're going to press power. Once we press power, that'll turn it on. Press power again to turn it off. So I'm just going to do that really quick. It's in my ear. Pressing power. It's going. It's going. Press power again. It's off. And if you want to, you could use a Q-tip to sort of clear it out more. Feels like you're making the right decision. That's what it feels like. All right, I'm just going to squirt it in front of me. That way you can see sort of like the different power settings. So this is soft setting. That's what you do when you put it close. That's what it's doing. This is pulse setting. So it does that. And as you can see, there's 3 different spouts that it's shooting out. From here, we're going to go to the strong setting.
That's the one.
That's the one. But then there's also this DIY setting where it can be, basically it starts out slow. You hold the power button down. Once it gets to the right pressure, right speed you want, then you let it go. So I'm holding the power button down and it's shooting out it's getting faster. It's getting faster and I can let it go and this is where we can stay at. So as you can see, just an amazing device. This is the right decision. So highly recommend.